Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix notification not showing on lock screen of Samsung. If you're using a Samsung device and your notification are not showing on lock screen, so let's see how can you fix it. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for notification setting, select it, and here you just have to select app notifications, and here you just have to make sure that you have enabled the all apps settings for which notification you want to see at your lock screen. You just have to enable the notification of the apps, and after that just go back, and here you will get the lock screen notification settings. Just enable it, and here you have to make sure that your settings have been enabled, and you must have to select show content here, and after doing that just go back. From here just open your do not disturb, and here you have to make sure that your do not disturb mode has been disabled, and after doing this your notification will be shown on your lock screen. You just have to make a restart your phone, so press and hold the power button, and here just select restart, or the second way, just scroll down in control center and there's the power option, just tap on it, then select restart, then tap on it again to restart your phone. So after doing that you have successfully fixed, and now your notification will be shown on your lock screen. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.